Obi Ezekwesili, former Minister of Education in Nigeria, says she did not collect any money to support Senator Natasha akpoti-uduaghan. Senator akpoti-uduaghan represents Kogi Central and has accused Senate President Godswill Akpabio of sexual harassment. She says the harassment happened in his office and at his house in Akwa Ibom State. Ezekwesili has supported the senator and asked for a fair investigation. She also called for Akpabio to step down while the investigation is being looked into. Last week, a woman named Sandra Duru, also known as Professor Ongwekwe, said that Senator akpoti-uduaghan made the story up. She also claimed that Ezekwesili was paid to support the senator's claim, but Ezekwesili strongly denied this on Saturday. She posted on X, formerly known as Twitter, saying, "No amount of money can buy my voice." She said people who know her trust her that she would never take a bribe to support something. Ezekwesili added that she will continue to support Senator Natasha akpoti-uduaghan and stand up for justice. In March, the Senate suspended akpoti-uduaghan for 6 months for arguing with the Senate leaders during a meeting. The situation has caused a lot of debate and attention in Nigeria. Share your opinion in the comment box section below. We will continue to supply you more news updates as this story unfolds. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.